What if I told you that the origin story of one of the most popular online business formation services isn't as straightforward as you might think? We all know ZenBusiness as a go-to platform for aspiring entrepreneurs, simplifying everything from LLC formation to registered agent services. But have you ever paused to wonder who actually created ZenBusiness? Was it a single visionary founder, a team of tech gurus, or something else entirely? For many of us, ZenBusiness has become synonymous with ease and efficiency when it comes to launching a new venture. You've seen the ads, perhaps even used their services yourself. They promise to cut through the red tape, making the daunting process of business registration feel manageable, even empowering. They offer various packages, from basic filings to comprehensive compliance bundles, all designed to get your business up and running smoothly. Their user-friendly interface, clear pricing, and helpful customer support have garnered them a loyal following and impressive reviews across the board. They've successfully carved out a significant niche in a competitive market, becoming a household name for small business owners and solopreneurs alike. But before ZenBusiness was a household name, before it was helping thousands of entrepreneurs navigate the complexities of business formation, it had to start somewhere. Every successful company has an inception, a moment of ideation, and the tireless efforts of individuals who believe in that vision. This isn't just about a company being born. It's about the minds behind that birth, the challenges they faced, and the decisions that shaped what ZenBusiness is today. Understanding who created ZenBusiness isn't just a trivia question. It's about understanding the foundational principles and the driving force that led to its development. It helps us appreciate the journey of a startup, the strategic thinking that goes into building a valuable service, and the individuals who took that leap of faith. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the story behind ZenBusiness. While it might be tempting to imagine a single, charismatic founder who birthed the idea fully formed, the reality is often a bit more nuanced and, in this case, a collaboration of talent. ZenBusiness was co-founded by Ross Burdorf, Matt Tiffin, and Ryan Pullen. These three individuals brought a unique blend of experience and expertise to the table, which proved instrumental in shaping ZenBusiness into the successful platform it is today. Ross Burdorf, arguably the most publicly recognized of the co-founders, has a strong background in the tech and startup world. Before ZenBusiness, he was a key figure at HomeAway, an online vacation rental marketplace that was eventually acquired by Expedia for a substantial sum. His experience at HomeAway, where he served as Chief Technology Officer and later as Chief Operating Officer, gave him invaluable insights into scaling technology platforms, managing large teams, and understanding the needs of a diverse user base. This deep understanding of building and growing a successful tech company was clearly a cornerstone for ZenBusiness. Burdorf's vision for ZenBusiness was rooted in making entrepreneurship accessible, leveraging technology to democratize the process of starting a business. He understood the pain points faced by new business owners and saw an opportunity to simplify complex legal and administrative procedures. Matt Tiffin also played a crucial role in the early days of ZenBusiness. His expertise often leaned towards product development and user experience. He understood the importance of creating an intuitive and seamless platform, something that ZenBusiness is widely praised for. In the world of online services, a user-friendly interface isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a make-or-break factor. Tiffin's focus on streamlining the customer journey and ensuring that the platform was easy to navigate, even for those unfamiliar with business formation processes, was undoubtedly a significant contributor to ZenBusiness's early success and continued growth. His emphasis on making complex processes simple and understandable for the everyday user was a key differentiator in a market often dominated by jargon and convoluted procedures. Ryan Pullen, the third co-founder, brought a strong background in operations and strategic planning. His understanding of the intricacies involved in building a robust operational framework for a fast-growing company was vital. From managing legal compliance to ensuring efficient service delivery, Pullen's contributions were critical in establishing the backbone of ZenBusiness. His ability to translate the company's vision into actionable steps and to build the systems necessary to support a rapidly expanding customer base was essential. The smooth functioning of ZenBusiness, from customer onboarding to document filing, relies heavily on the efficient operational processes that Pullen helped to establish. It's important to understand that the creation of a company like ZenBusiness wasn't just about a brilliant idea. It was about the synergy of these co-founders' diverse skill sets. Berdorf's strategic vision and tech leadership, Tiffin's product and user experience focus, and Pullen's operational expertise created a powerful trifecta. They recognized a significant market need, simplifying the often confusing and time-consuming process of business formation for the average person. They saw that many aspiring entrepreneurs were deterred by the legal complexities and paperwork involved in setting up a business entity. Their collective goal was to remove these barriers, making it easier for anyone with a business idea to turn it into a reality. The founding team's understanding of technology, combined with their empathy for the challenges faced by new business owners, allowed them to build a platform that was not only efficient but also genuinely helpful. They weren't just building a service. They were building a solution designed to empower entrepreneurs. ZenBusiness officially launched in 2017, and from its inception, it set out to disrupt the traditional business formation landscape. They focused on leveraging technology to automate processes, offer transparent pricing, and provide excellent customer support, elements that were often lacking in the industry. Their rapid growth since then is a testament to the strong foundation laid by its co-founders and their commitment to their initial vision. They understood that in the digital age, convenience and accessibility are paramount, and they built their service around these core principles. So, while ZenBusiness might seem like a monolithic entity today, its origins lie in the collaborative efforts of Ross Berdorf, Matt Tiffin, and Ryan Pullen. Their combined vision, expertise, and dedication transformed a concept into a thriving platform that has empowered countless individuals to embark on their entrepreneurial journeys. They identified a problem, conceived a solution, and executed it with precision, ultimately building a company that has significantly impacted the landscape of small business formation. Their story is a reminder that even in the vast and competitive world of tech startups, the power of a strong founding team with a clear mission can lead to remarkable success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.